So after we removed everything, there used to be carpet in the hallway and in the bedrooms. They had vinyl already in the living room. So we laced in the new luxury vinyl in the hallway and into the bedrooms. After we removed the old carpet, we ground everything down. We primed with Mape MSP, which is basically a moisture sealer primer, before we pour our Ultra Prime flowable cement everywhere to get everything flat. We poured all the bedrooms and hallway and everything. I don't do spot pours. And then after that cures in 24, we install our 6 mil poly throughout, overlap our seams 6 inches, and we have a perfectly flat, beautiful floor that's gonna last. We will have no problem. Been doing it this way for 8 years.